100% pure cold-pressed apricot kernel oil. We use only cold-pressed extraction methods when sourcing our apricot kernel oil. The oil is highly potent and contains a large variety of complete vitamins and nutrients. The perfect carrier oil for massages and aromatherapy. Apricot kernel oil is mildly viscous and spreads evenly to enable sensation-filled massage experiences. The oil can also be combined with other essential oils to induce relaxation and calm. Apricot kernel oil is an ideal choice for massage therapists and aromatherapy. Our pure apricot kernel oil, 100% pure and natural cold pressed for maximum potency, mild viscosity and non-greasy, will not clog pores and great for all skin types, help nourish and hydrate the skin and hair, rich in vitamins E, B, C and A, great base for mixing aromatherapy blends, generous 4-ounce size in environmentally friendly, BPA-free packaging, easy dispensing, disc top cap for convenient application, bottled in the USA, 100% satisfaction guarantee, great for aromatherapy, massage or at-home use. Honeydew Products Apricot Oil is unparalleled in purity, quality and therapeutic capacity, fully guaranteed. Rest assured that your purchase is backed by a 100% money-back, no questions asked refund policy, which is upheld in full conformity by all authorized distributors. 100% pure apricot kernel oil. Our apricot kernel oil is 100% pure and natural. Use as multifunctional carrier oil for aromatherapy, massages, essential oil blending and skin hydration. Apricot kernel oil contains high levels of vitamin E and vitamin C, which we maintain by using only cold press extraction methods. Bottled in an environmentally friendly, BPA-free 4-ounce bottle with easy dispensing disc cap. Cold pressed for best results. Cold pressed carrier oils tend to maintain a greater level of benefits due to the absence of heat-related damage. For this reason, we use only cold press extraction methods when sourcing the oil from apricot kernels. The oil is therapeutic grade and contains a large array of beneficial properties. Great massage and aromatherapy oil. Apricot kernel oil is finely textured and mildly viscous, making it ideal for massage sessions and spa therapy. Our apricot kernel oil will not leave the skin excessively greasy or clog pores. This makes it safe for facial massages and moisturizing beauty masks. Mix with essential oils to craft a personalized massage experience. Moisturizes the face, skin and hair. Apricot kernel oil contains an array of naturally moisturizing vitamins and nutrients. Apply to the face, hair and body to hydrate and soften the skin. It will not clog facial pores or cause greasy buildup in hair. Bottled in a state-of-the-art facility in the USA which exceeds all GMP standards. Clean, pure and natural. Honeydew Products 100% pure apricot kernel oil is assured to exceed expectations in quality and effectiveness, 100% money-back guaranteed. Get more info, please click link in below description, and 50% discount offer available. This product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.